brother Paul is gonna do the filming on the Google Pixel 7. I'm Bear Bones Kitchen. Let me tell you what we're having today. So we got Impossible beef made from plants. 2 pounds of that. I'm gonna put a little carne asada taco seasoning in there just for the heck of it. We got organic sweet potato fries. And we're gonna make all of them because we know that's what Brother Paul wants. Yeah. We got Oro wheat superior keto buns. Superior even. Yes. Got an avocado, a tomato, and some lettuce. You really just can't get more basic than that. Get some of them sweet potato fries. Cook these up, mix them with the taco. Now, do we want 4 quarter-pound burgers or 6 third-pound burgers?
I think 6 thirds.
I like that too. That was the original idea. Now, both the Impossible Burgers and the Beyond Beef, I like the flavor of it myself. But I was a vegan for years and I was also a vegetarian for years, so I kind of got a flavor for it. But if you want to see up close what that looks like, that's not fat. It's made from plants. Then again, isn't everything made from plants at one point or another? They make them out of plants. Oils we're using. Sweet potato fries. We're gonna get a bite into this while it's still hot. Here we go. Surprisingly juicy, with the fact that it doesn't have any fat in it. It's really juicy. It's delicious. It's done just right. Just a hint of the taco seasoning, and of course with the fresh veggies. Oh, I forgot the damn avocado.
Oh,
Gonna have to do another bite.
Bear's hungry.
This ain't the greatest avocado ever, but we're gonna make do. Alright, bite two. Personally, I find that as enjoyable, if not more enjoyable than a meat burger. It tastes really good, and I like the texture to it, the consistency to it, and the flavor of it. Like I said, it's juicy, which you wouldn't expect. The veggie burgers I've had in the past are really dry. This is juicy, so.
Compliments of John.
John, yeah.
Cake and a cookie.
Bare Bones Kitchen. Please subscribe and like.
Hey y'all, this is Bear. Just reminding you, you do you, and I'll do me. Peace out, everybody.